How do I make my porridge oats the night before? Nice and easy. I let the oats soak in. First make the protein, 50% soya milk. I prefer soya milk. You can use almond milk, skimmed milk, cow milk, whatever you want to use. 50% water, protein powder. Give it a good mix. So I go for 1.5 scoop of porridge. Pour that all over. I get some left over. I'll just leave that in the fridge. If I'm feeling thirsty, I might just have it. Give it a mix. And I leave this in the fridge overnight. Tomorrow morning, I'll take this out of the fridge. Keep it covered. Put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Give it a stir and put it in the microwave for another minute. Keep it covered while you put it in the microwave, because different microwaves, different temperature, different power setting, it can explode or make a mess inside your microwave. So the night before, let the porridge oats soak. Give it a quick stir. So the oats have had a really good overnight soak in the milk, water, protein, whey powder. And now it's ready to go in the microwave. Okay guys, so that's how I make my porridge. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on another videos real soon.